Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that may give you clarity, clear your doubts. So you can stay tuned for that, guys, Leos. So let's start with these cards. So we have Chariot in reverse, Four of Cups in reverse, and Seven of Wands. So Leos, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, in your relationship, maybe, guys, you are in a lot of stress. Maybe you are in the middle of some argument or stress, maybe with someone really close to you. You have a lot going on. Maybe they are fighting, quarreling with you for some reason, and you are worried, you don't know how to cope up, you are confused, maybe. So for some of you, this person is not listening to you, listening to your advice. So they are bringing something from the past, maybe something that has happened between you both, something stressful, and they are connecting this present situation with that. So they are not healed from some past, guys, and it is causing a lot of stress for you. You don't know how to help them out. So maybe for some of you, you have struggled a lot, you have sacrificed a lot for this person you love, but you have realized that it is simply not enough. Maybe even this other person must think to resolve this situation. So one-sided efforts will never work, guys, Leos. So maybe for some of you, these arguments or stressful situation, it is going to bring a separation between you both. It may be a temporary separation we are seeing here, guys. Maybe for some of you guys, very soon there will be a change coming. Maybe this person will change their ways, or they will understand you, they will come to you. But for some of you, this relationship may break, it may not work, guys. So you have tried hard, really, but maybe for some of you, this relationship may move towards a breakup or separation, guys. So whatever you have done till now for this person you love, it was never enough, guys. So that is what they feel about you or about this love, or you may feel this way about your love for them. And maybe they expect more, they expect much more, and it is simply impossible because you have sacrificed a lot for this love, guys, and it is simply impossible on your part. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, if you have gone separate ways and you are single right now, you are open to a new relationship, maybe, guys, Leos. I see someone new, someone interesting coming towards you, and this person and yourself, you will have a positive relationship, guys. So even in your career situation, Leos, you are struggling, striving hard, making a lot of efforts, but you may not see success today, guys, but you are on the path to success, and you are having an advantageous circumstance today, and in your future. So things are falling into place for you guys, Leos, in your career situation. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says juniper tree, deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys. Let go of that responsibility for that situation. And you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way. And you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you. And this separation is the reason for sadness. And maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today, and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day-to-day life we are often see so much stress in our life. We are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life. Live each moment and fully experience the present moment. So simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around, or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So, even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness, when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.